Hello everyone, welcome back to my Allotment Diaries. My name is Emma. This is my Allotment Diary channel. I'd love for you to subscribe. Hit me up, subscribe, hit me out. What the hell was that? Hi guys, my name is Emma. Welcome to my Allotment Diaries. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you are new, just hit the subscribe button. Oh God. This is the third time that I've actually filmed this, so I'm just going to leave that in. I'd love for you to subscribe, hit the like, watch my videos back. Anyway, right, I'm hovering because the camera's kind of balanced mid-height, which is quite annoying. It's absolutely freezing here today. It's like 0 degrees. I just haven't been able to get here, and it's really affected me mentally because I love coming here. It's become part of my daily routine to come to the allotment plot, even just for like 20 minutes to look around. But because of a lockdown and the kids being homeschooled now, it's just become really difficult to get here. So I am here today. I had cardboard to bring and I blooming left it at home, didn't I? I've got like a complete brain fog at the moment. I'm just not with it at all. So my plan was to do the cardboard and put it in the, but I haven't got it. So right, sweet peas are doing quite well. I need to turn them round again. Once again, you can probably see they're growing towards there. Mind you, they're not doing it that much now. So I'll just turn them round like that. Oh yeah, they are bending. And then they'll bend the other way towards the light, you see. And it just keeps them on track. And these are all okay, it's still wet. Yeah, no, they're all fine, they'll grow. I'm sure they'll grow. Some of you were telling me about how putting Christmas trees on here changes the pH level of the soil and actually makes it more acidic, which is not so great for some vegetables and stuff. So I did a bit of a Google about that, and actually I'm not breaking these off and digging them in, so it's probably not going to make it that acidic, because I'm using it mainly as like a covering layer to stop weeds coming up and warm the soil up and stuff. And also a lot of the things that I actually want to grow, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, things like that, do really well in acidic soil. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem, but I will bear that in mind if I ever dig it in, because I really didn't think about that. But I think it will be fine, hopefully. Broad beans are doing really well actually. Some of the bottles have blown off, but the plants underneath don't really seem to mind the frost apparently, so it's quite nice to have something growing, to be honest. It's a bit of a crappy time, January, so it's nice to have something in the ground that's actually growing. Sorry, the crows are on one today. Nothing I grow ever seems to grow at the same time as what everyone else's things grow. I'm always either behind or really far ahead. So whenever I show something growing, people are like, wow, that's really bloody early. And if something's not growing, they're like, well, mine is. So I can't seem to win at this plot. This plot does what it wants, to be honest. It's got a mind of its own. So right, plan of the day, and I've been avoiding this job. I don't really know why, just haven't been bothered to do it, but I need to sort out this chard. It's all gone a bit funny. It's still growing, but I need to chop it back and give it some air. It's probably not something plants need, air, is it? It's like water, sun, air. Do they need air? I don't bloody know. You won't be at all surprised to hear I'm not doing good with the camera today. I can't bend this low. God, I'm a human being. I'm not an animal. That's better. You won't be surprised to know that I've actually lost my great big scissors, my gardening scissors. So I'm having to use these. It's my own bloody fault. Don't feel sorry for me. I'm an idiot. I've left them out somewhere. And I just can't find them. So I'm going to have to use these. And, there we go. You know, you work with what you've got. Right, can you see what I'm doing? No, you can't bloody see. I think you might be able to see there, that's it. Not that there's going to be that much to see, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to sort of hack at it. Look away now if you don't like plants being hacked. Can't even get my finger through them. Oh, there we go. I've sort of taken like that much off, which feels like quite a lot, but sorry, wobbling. It's only bits that have died that I've taken off, so I think it's all right. I think you can see it looks a bit better, and if you look in here, it looks healthier now. I've taken all those dead bits out. I don't know if it'll grow and I'll get any more. I don't know. But it does just feel like a good job, because I just feel like it's just happier. You know, it's got some more room and stuff, and it looks a bit neater. And sometimes when plants look neater and they look good, they are happier. So that's all I can go on, because I don't know anything. So I'm just sort of guessing by what it looks like. Right, okay, now instead of throwing all this onto the compost bin, which I could do, I'm actually going to use it to mulch a bed. I haven't decided which bed yet. I think this one. I've used some of the cabbage leaves to mulch it, and I'm going to use this to mulch more. Right, once again, I'll just show you, because I'm not good at explaining stuff. I'm going to do this, basically. I'll whack it on there. I think you can do that, because what's the difference? What's the difference between putting like straw down and putting like old leaves that you've picked down, or like leaf mulch? What's the difference? I'm sure you can mulch it like that, and then maybe the worms will come, and then in the spring I can just take it up or dig it in. So I think it's bloody right. I don't know, but I think it's right. Checked on my guttering today. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look at this masterful guttering. We're going to go the long way around, just for suspense. Dun, 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 dun. Right, we've had quite a lot of rain, so the question is, have we got water in there? Oh my god, look how much water we've got. Oh, that's a lot, isn't it? Wow. Wowie. The idea is that I'll be dipping my watering can in there. Right, I need to cover it. Obviously, a few people have pointed this out now. Animals can fall in that and drown. I don't want to be responsible for the murdering of any animals here. So I should correct that. Any more animals here, because we all know about the pond of doom. So I've got some, I'm just going to cover it with like some netting. This netting. Shit. Because then by covering it with this, it will still allow the rain to like go into it, because it's holes, isn't it? And that's what holes do. I'm sure you figured that out. I didn't need to tell you that. Obviously we're not going for neatness here, we're just going for practicality, so don't judge me. Right, that ought to stop any little animals from falling in. I'm thinking sort of squirrels and cats. Am I right in thinking squirrels and cats might fall in that? Is that right thinking? I think it's the sort of thing a squirrel would fall in. I'm not sure about cat. Birds can obviously fly out, so I can't say I'm clued up on the type of animal that would drown in there. I think cats. Might have a look in there, think there's a fish maybe? Fall in? Drown? Don't know. So anyway, the cats are safe. So that's good, isn't it? That's all I'm going to do here today. Can't say there's tons to do at your plots, but I tell you what, I feel so much better just for coming here, just for walking around, dreaming about spring, thinking about the broad beans and stuff. It just makes it so much easier. Now I can go home for the day, have a cup of tea and feel like I've done something outdoorsy, got some fresh air, got some exercise. So if you can safely get to your allotment plot, even if you are in London, which is obviously having some kind of crisis at the moment, in terms of hospitals and stuff, in the news it's just really awful and sad. But if you can get to your plot safely, I tell you what, it does you so much good mentally, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, and I will see you in my next vlog. I'm going to try and do as many as I can. Bear in mind I am trying to homeschool which is just, anyway, a different story. I'll see you next time, guys. Stay safe, stay well, get 2 plots if you can. Bye.